Go to the Jedi Temple. Do what must be done.
Master Skywalker, what's going on?
All of you line up, oldest to youngest.
What for, sir?
A treat.
A treat on my first day.
Everyone just close your eyes real tight and put your fingers in your ears. No peeking.
Mr. Skywalker, can my treat just be a hug?
You can do this, Anakin. Just go to your happy place. Oh, remember the fields of Naboo, where you fell in love. Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, yeah. Oh, nature. I feel alive. Oh, yeah. Ah, yeah. Oh, I'm so in love. Ah, yeah. Ah. Where are you going? Come here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That was nice.
Anakin, I'm home.
Oh, good. I left you some fresh cut sunflowers on the dining table.
Oh, Annie, that is so sweet of you to...